So my Ellarie Colourpop lip products came today.
Yeah, I saw. How do you like it?
I'm recording. You're like on live video.
Oh.
Hey y'all, it's me, Ayahnna, and I am back for the video I've been waiting to do for like maybe like 7 days. But yeah, I'm back. If you guys follow me on Insta, that's at Divinely Ayahnna, of course. You don't follow me? Go follow me. Go follow me on Insta. I posted up that I purchased Ellarie. Y'all know who Ellarie is. Come on now, y'all know she's like my fave. So I purchased Ellarie's Colourpop collaboration lip products. She collaborated again with Colourpop. I was not around for the first one. I was probably like, I don't know, in Germany somewhere. I was in Germany. Yeah, I was in Germany being an army wife. So yeah, I wasn't around for the first one. But I'm here for round 2 and I bought all 6 colors and they came today and I'm so excited to swatch them out on my lips. I cannot wait to see them. Like literally I got them from the mailbox at about, I don't know, 5 p.m. and now it's like 8. Yeah, it took me 3 hours for me to open this package because I wanted to do it for y'all. Like on camera, live, swatching them on my lips. So y'all know I'm an Ellarie like love her business, love her brand, love what she does. Legit cool peeps. Like I don't even know her, but hey girl, hey, like yeah, you my spirit animal. Hey. So here's the packaging. Boom, from Colourpop. Don't try to look at my address. So this is like legit. Let's just do it, right? Like what are we waiting for? I'm over it already. Over it. When I pulled them out, they're open. I am a pet peeve. Like, I am so anal and just be having like, all right, Colourpop, y'all gotta do better than this. Just gonna throw them in this bag? All right, let me stop. I'm appreciative. I'm appreciative. So, her packaging is super cute. It says Ellarie X Colourpop on it in red. And the packaging is like, it looks like a little lace. Like it looks like lace. And she has her red heart on one side. And then she has the name on the other side. Y'all, these are super cute. Like, Ellarie, you should be so proud. Like, these are super cute. Let me tell y'all, if I had some lip glosses with my name on them, I would be like rolling on the floor, just thanking my ancestors for birthing me. Wakanda. So yeah, I'm almost done opening them and we are going to swatch them and go from there. How gorgeous, y'all. So I purchased all 6 colors. She has a red, which is called Renmin, and I believe I have the correct spelling on mine because I'm special. So Ellarie, if you're watching this, I have the correct spelling. Renmin is an ultra satin lip, so I think I'm gonna like this. It's red. This is in stiletto. I'm sorry, stilo. Not stiletto, stilo. And this is an ultra glossy lip. So this is gonna be for my everyday wear, clearly. This is Netta for her mama. And this is an ultra glossy lip. It looks like it's not as shimmery. So that's gonna be gorgeous. This is Sassy. This is an ultra matte lip. So that's gonna be interesting on these crusty lips of mine. And then this is Henny Wave, which I think I'm gonna wear tonight because I'm actually going somewhere right now. And this is the ultra matte lip, again, crusty lips. And then this is Yoshi. Love it. super cute, fun pink, and this is an ultra matte lip. So, word to the wise, make sure you got your Vaseline ready when you're wearing your ultra matte lips, because the formula of these ultra matte products will dry your lips out. So without further ado, let's go in. Listen, this ultra satin, honey, I like it. I like it. This is like the perfect red. I have not had a perfect red lipstick. I've had like rouges and burgundies and on the verges of pinks, and yeah, this is like the perfect red. Oh my God, I love it. Save the best for last, because I have been looking the longest for a nude lip for me, meaning it gotta be like brown sugar cinnamon nude, not pink. I'm not pink. So tonight we about to rock anyways, and I'm super excited because it matches my skin tone. This is about to be my nude lip for the evening. Let's see how it looks. There she is. Anyways, I'm in love. I'm so in love. I'm just in love. I'm just in love with this color. Wow. Oh, she's drying quick. She's drying real quick. Honestly, I have absolutely nothing bad to say about the colors, the pigment of the colors, the way they look against my skin tone, their texture. The bomb. The absolute bomb. And if I recall, I remember Ellarie saying something about the color, and that's like part of the reason why the formula just dries so fast. But she really wanted this color, and I just want to thank you, sis. Thank you for this color. I am so in love with it. All right, I gotta go. I gotta go. My friends are waiting for me, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned because we have a special vlog coming up. This family right here, we are moving to Maryland. So stay tuned because you don't want to miss all that action. Bye.